As I talked about with Matt Argesinger and Aaron Bush, it's interesting to see not only the companies being named in the private market as potential IPOs this year, but the possibility that the recent volatility we've seen might accelerate those IPOs in the first 6 months of 2019. Whether it's the S1 that you're eager to look at or a company where you just think, no, I want this thing to go public now so I can get a few shares. What's on your radar, Jason?
Yeah, one that probably a lot of people are thinking won't end up IPOing, but I hope it does, is SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket company, and they are set to raise $500 million at a $30.5 billion valuation here shortly. And to me, space is one of these markets. It's one of these trends, I think, that's going to open up a lot of fascinating investment opportunities over the course of the next decade and beyond. And I think SpaceX is going to be a part of that. And one thing that SpaceX is doing today is this project called Starlink. Essentially, the idea, he's looking to build out a constellation of satellites all over the globe in low orbit that will basically be able to beam high-speed internet connection to every corner of the globe. And it seems like he's getting buy-in from all the regulators, too. And we've seen what he's been able to do here in the rocket launches that have taken place thus far. I just think this is a fascinating company. I think it's going to offer a lot of opportunities if we do get a chance to see it go public. I more than likely would want to own a few shares just to be a part of it. But yeah, I'd really want to read that S1.
Do you think Tesla shareholders are eager for the prospect of Elon Musk at the helm of yet another public company?
Well, maybe we save that for another show, Chris.
Ron, what about you?
A favorite company in my household is fast casual Mediterranean restaurant Cava. And they have recently acquired publicly traded Zoe's Kitchen. So I'll give them a little time to digest that acquisition, decide what they want to do with all the Zoe's locations. But then let's take the whole darn thing public. Some great capital that they can use for growth to kind of take the world by storm and expand the concept.
Have they given any more color on what they plan to do with those locations? Because I remember we talked about that acquisition on this show, and the only thing that surprised me was the fact that they really seemed like, no, we're not necessarily going to turn these all into Cavas. And I think our general reaction was, why not?
Yeah, I've seen more along the lines of making some menu changes, changes to the way the kitchen operates to be more efficient and have offerings that are more appealing to the consumer.